Hello guys, welcome back again. Into this tutorial I would like to show to you how the way that I make this image editing using Canva editor. Okay, so first open your Canva and then open a new project, and after that insert the picture that you want to edit. For example, I will try to add, I will add this picture of a car, the image of a car, and then clicking it, and now go to the Magic Studio like this, and then click the BG remover to remove the background from this image. And after you remove the background, and now adjust the frame of the image like this. Then after that, go to the elements button here and then type wooden box. For example, I will try to use a wooden box like this, and I think I will use this one. And then swipe left the toolbar, and then for the position, make sure that it's behind the first image, this one. And after that, you need to positioning the image like this, and then swipe right, and then click the effect, and then click the shadow effect, and after that click the drop shadow, this one. And then you can increase the blur amount of the shadow onto 30, like that. And for the angle, you can adjust the angle, decrease it onto 50 like this. And for the intensity, you can increase it to 100 like this. And after you finish doing it, now go to the elements button one more time, and then type plastic texture, this one. Wait for a moment. Then after that, click the photo of the texture, and then find the one that you want to use. For example, I will try to use this one. Make sure that you found the clear texture like this one. Then after that, increase the size of it like this, and then one more time go to effect and click shadow, and then add a glow shadow like this. And then for the size of the shadow, you can decrease it to 5 like this. And for the blur amount, we need to decrease it one more time to 10, this one. And for the intensity, we can increase it to 100, or maybe I think I will decrease it to 20 because it looks not natural. And after you finish doing it, now this is the result that you got. And if you don't satisfied with the result, or it just seems so flat, you can do same thing that I do. Click layers, go to the wooden box, and then same as the previous editing, we need to add a shadow, and then add the drop shadow. And for the blur amount, we can increase the blur amount. And for the angle, I think I will increase it to 60, this one. And for the intensity, I think I will increase it to 70, this one, and go back. And after that, the picture of your design will be look like this. And one more thing, I think I will add something that will make it much more look a gift from someone. Click the element and then type ribbon like this, and then click search. Then after that, I think I will use this one. And after that, adjust the positioning of the ribbon like this. And after that, click the effect, click the shadow, and then add a drop shadow like this. And for the blur amount, we can decrease it to 5 like this one. And for the angle, I think I will decrease it to 50 like before. And after you finish doing it, wait for a moment, let me increase the size. Okay, and after you finish doing it, we can change the background. I think I will change it onto this color, maybe, yeah, onto this color. And then we can add a text onto this design. For example, I will add it's a GIF like this, then go back, and after that change the font. I think I will use this one, and change the color. I think I will add a nice blue color like this one. And after you finish, this is the result that you will get. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.